If your project talks to anything outside itself, like AI features, a database, payments, or anything else that needs a key, those values need to be here for the site to work. Now, I'll give you a quick concept before we click anything, because this is where most people get confused. There are two homes for these values, not one. When your site runs on your computer, it reads them from a file in your project folder called .env, like we already discussed. When your site runs live on Hostinger, it reads them from this environment variables section instead. It's the same values, but it has two different homes depending on where you're running the app. What we're about to do is copy from the first home into the second home. So first, click Add. Now, the slick part here is that Hostinger has an import.env button right here that reads your local env file and uploads every value in one shot. So go ahead and click that. A file picker will open. Go ahead and find the project folder where you've been working with Claude Code on your project and open it. Now, there's a small trip up you might run into here because .env is a hidden file. Files that start with a dot are hidden by default on both Mac and Windows. If you go looking for it in the picker, you probably won't see it. So on a Mac, hit Command-Shift-, and all of the hidden files will appear. Now here you can see the .env. On Windows, in File Explorer's View menu, choose Show, and then Hidden Items. Once you find your env, go ahead and open it. Hostinger reads the file and imports every variable in it. Take a quick look at what landed. Every variable your project uses on your computer is now here on Hostinger too. Now, two warnings on database keys specifically before we move on. Any database like Supabase, MongoDB, or Hostinger's own MySQL has two kinds of key. A safe one meant for public use and an admin key, sometimes called secret or service role. Only the safe one belongs in a front-end project. If Claude built your .env correctly, the admin key isn't in there. But if you ever add credentials manually, watch which one you paste. And second, never commit any of these values to GitHub. They belong here in environment variables, and they belong in your local .env, which is why we protected it with .gitignore back in the GitHub step. Now, if your project doesn't have an environment file yet, or you want to add a new key later without going through this import flow, just simply click Add instead of Import and enter the name and value manually. It's the same result, it's just one at a time. Once you're done with that, click Finish. If you haven't grabbed your hosting plan yet, use the link on screen or the first link in the description below. That'll get you an extra 10% discount on top of whatever promotions Hostinger is already running.